Pickles and Gaijin here, Jamaican YouTuber. Welcome back to my channel. Now, today, the Olympics is really just providing a lot of entertainment for me. I don't know if it's entertaining you, but I mean, you can't make this shit up. You can't make this ish up, right? So, the IOC chief, Thomas Bach, or Batch, or whatever you want to call him, however it's pronounced, I apologize. Thomas Bach, Bach, made some comments that would have set off many people. And if you know anything about Japan, and for all you weeaboos out there and lovers of Japan, you know that Japanese people hate to be disrespected. Don't mess with their culture, don't mess with their sushi or their tea, and do not mess with their national pride. No, can you imagine someone coming to your country and just saying, hey, like a Jamaican, you're in Jamaica, and you say, hey, we care about the Trinidadian people. I mean, Jamaican people. Excuse me, what you say? You understand me? It's that sort of thing. However, it's much deeper than that. Japanese people do generally believe that they're superior to their other Asian counterparts. They don't see themselves as level with the Chinese or the South Koreans, and often see themselves as superior because the Chinese are loud and the Koreans are this and that. When in truth and in fact, that might not be the case. Now, you would think that the president of the IOC, the International Olympic Committee, would know where his games are being held and which people he's speaking to. But no, 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 no. This man has just given me gold. And we're going to allow you to listen to him, and then we're going to laugh together. All right? All right, so this clip is found on Twitter from FNN News. All right, or FN News.
Our common target is safe and secure games for everybody, for the athletes, for all the delegations, and most importantly also for the Japanese people.
You did this kind of Chinese? Oh no! Oh no! It's like... How do you do? How, fam? How? Japanese people are big mad right now on Twitter, going off saying, IOC, go back to your home. Or Thomas Bach, we are Japanese, we are proud, go back to your home type thing. And yeah, so, he's getting the experience of the full foreign experience. That some people get. I'm kidding, but, no, I'm not kidding. But what I'm saying is, you cannot call a Chinese person Japanese or Japanese Chinese. You never do that. You never do that. All right, buddy? All right? Who is this man's advisor? Where is his cultural, liaison, to him? Ensure you never ever call a Japanese person Chinese, or else that's the end of everything, life as you know it. I think they will hate him now until forever. Yep. He is the foreigner that dared to call a Japanese person Chinese. He called the Japanese people Chinese. Oh God. Let's watch it again, because this is crazy.
For the athletes, for all the delegations, and most importantly also for the Japanese people.
So I wanted to see the look on the person's face in that conference room, because half of them, probably don't speak English, but I'm sure they know Chinese. Not the language, Mandarin, Cantonese, whatever, but they know the word Chinese. And they were wondering, why would he be talking about China at a press conference like this? You know what I mean? My God. My God. Tell me what you think down below. Is it a big mistake? Is it a big deal? Or is it just a mistake and we're all human and we make mistakes? But a mistake like this is an Olympic-size slip-up. Right, guys. So, yeah, change my shirt. To be fair, we have all probably made an error like this, but the error would not have been as high profile, like we'd have said, oh, that person looks Chinese, but not to call people in a conference. Mistake a whole nation. Mistake the country that you're staying in. Yeah. That sucks. Alright, that's all I want to say. I didn't want to seem like a hypocrite because, I'm not. And of course, we had to get something with foreigners doing bad stuff in Japan, because that's what foreigners do. Foreigners come to Japan and do bad things. We do nothing good for the country. And It only takes one, but apparently it's four. We have four Olympic staffers, people, from the US and the UK arrested for using cocaine. Now, for anybody who knows Japan, they have a zero tolerance policy about drugs. And in a heightened time of international scrutiny, why would you use drugs now? Why? Let's talk about what the Tokyo Reporter is saying, because I haven't even read the article. A friend sent me the link and I am just. It says four staff members for the Olympic Games from the US and the UK have been accused of using cocaine, police have revealed. According to the Azabu police station, the four male suspects included American Dalton Ray Bouquet and Englishman John Benjamin Lockwood, 46, used illegal drug at some point this month. This is weird. After their arrest for violating the Narcotics and Psychotropics Control Act between July 3 and 4, all four suspects denied the charges. Beginning at around 8 p.m. on July 2nd, the four suspects began drinking at a bar in the Roppongi Entertainment District. Oh, that's what it's called now, the Roppongi Entertainment District. Interesting. At some point thereafter, Bouquet broke into a nearby residence. Officers arriving at the scene apprehended him. Though it is not clear how the other three suspects were apprehended, the results of the analyses of their urine gave a positive result for cocaine. All four suspects live in an accommodation facility in Minata Ward. They came to Japan between February and May to work for a foreign company carrying out maintenance work on electrical systems for Olympic venues. Alright, so we didn't catch them in the act or with the drugs. Okay, so I made that jump to a conclusion. But their urine sample proved that they used cocaine sometime in the month. Wow. Is there anything that's in cocaine that's in something else that could have been caught here? I don't know. But let me know in the comments down below. What do you think about all these things that are happening here in Japan during the Olympics? And let me know if you want to see more of these videos going forward. Give me a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Pick as a guy, Jamaican YouTuber. Ikimashou.